Today I would like to review my Birkin bag and show you what's in my bag. So this is Hermes Birkin 35. I purchased it a few months ago, so I have been wearing it for quite some time. I did purchase it in Real because I didn't have any history of purchasing things at Hermes store, and I just started the history. However, it's a long wait and they might offer me bags in the future, but I don't know if it's going to be the type of bag I want. So I really wanted Hermes Birkin, bigger size, so I can take it to court, and I have a child, so I wanted to make sure I have all the things I need to pack here. And it's in soft, very soft leather, and it has been holding very well. I don't see any damages. The stitching is really nice. It feels super soft. It's a little bit heavy. What I didn't know about Hermes bags, they are on a heavy side. And one thing I noticed, I'm constantly worrying when I'm wearing white jacket if it's gonna color my white jacket with red color. It hasn't done it before. I had a different bag, and probably it was something else, but it did damage my white jacket. So another thing I noticed why my next purchase is not going to be Birkin is because when I have a baby in one hand and I carry this heavy bag in another hand, the reason I like Kelly's more is because I can carry it on my shoulder. So first thing I did, I purchased some inside protection. So a small inside bag. It's protecting the bag, and it's also protecting from leaking anything, and it's easy to carry around. And then inside I have a bag that is protecting from the rain. One time it was raining, I haven't used it, but I would be if I needed it. So this is how it looks when it has nothing inside. And so why I like this insert is because you can see it's gonna hold up a little bit better. I really like the quality, how well it's done on all corners. It's so perfect. It's just so well done. It was new. It was still it has. I feel like people who have history at Hermes, they get their bags and then they go and sell it at Real because a lot of Real bags are pretty new, 2021, and they still have they still have tags and everything, packaging and stickers. So I'm gonna leave it right here and show you how much fits inside. You can see it's pretty empty, so I don't have any diapers here, baby milk. I was in court, so I took some snack. I have a really nice mask I like from Wolford. It's silk, and it has this metal holder that keeps my mask on the nose, and it has adjustment because some masks they fall off. Once my husband wore it once, it's done. Then of course, like everyone needs a key, I have a key and apple holder that is a replacement of a tile. If I lose my keys, I have a way to find it. Then I have my favorite pen of all. My husband gave me that as a present, Montblanc pen. I have it for probably over 3 years. It was Meisterstück, and it has, it's not the basic edition. It has mountains on the top of the pen. So if I look at closer, it shows all the mountains and the amount of meters, the height of each mountain, and it's very comfortable. It's probably one of my favorite pens I ever had, and I had a lot of Montblanc pens since I am a pen lover. Then this is my pure protein. I started working out, doing Beachbody app, and I do Fix 21. I started it last week, so it's pretty new, and I'm not doing their meal plan yet, but I'm keeping my eye on how much I eat. So something from my residues. I got new glasses from Chanel. Really like those. They're super soft. They don't leave any marks on my nose, and they're very comfortable. I stopped wearing big wallets, so I'm liking more and more small wallets because how heavy the bag is gonna get if I start wearing more. So I just have some cards, cash, vaccine card, and if I need something else, I just add it to it. Then I have my pouch with different things. I purchased Hermes Lipstick. I don't know how I feel about it. It's a very bright color, so I don't use it fully. I just use it one swat on my lips to bring some shine on top of another lipstick. On its own, I feel it's more summer color, and it would need a liner, which I don't have the patience to use. Then I have my holder for cream. I have been using this cream for probably 20 years. Of course, I replenish the cream, but it's Canebo Sensai. I really like it. So I tried so many other creams. I tried La Mer, I tried La Prairie. Anyway, nothing is as good as this one. Then my all-time favorite lipstick is of Saint Laurent. It's so smooth. It's just, and it smells good. I actually like it more than Hermes, although the packaging of Hermes and the magnet is pretty cool. Then hand sanitizer, as we all need it. And this is a lipstick that I never replaced, so it's always with me. I change, of course, the colors and I buy new ones, but it's from Clé and it's so soft. I have it probably for over 10 years. So I keep buying new lipsticks because I like something new, but I also just have my all-time favorite. And then I have some something for my teeth in case I need it if I'm in a restaurant. I have Broad Spectrum 46 in case I'm somewhere I need it, and Band-Aid just in case, and one ear plug. I sleep with earplugs all the time, so I don't know why I have one, but I usually have to have two. So, and then my pad. I always like to carry with me something to write if I'm in court, not when I'm on the weekend. I hope that was helpful to understand what I like about and don't like about Hermes bag. And I will see you soon. Bye!